10 assets for achieving financial freedom in your 20s and 30s. How would you feel if you have enough money to spend and for that, you don't have to work in your 20s or 30s? Well, this might sound impractical to you, but trust me, you can make it possible.
This rapidly changing world, achieving financial freedom at an early age has become a top priority for many people in their early 20s and 30s.
Early financial freedom not only allows you to gain control over your life, but also provides better financial security.
And today in this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 assets that can help you in achieving financial freedom.
So let's not waste any minute and dive into the video. 10. Real estate. For decades, real estate has been one of the top investment options due to its
potential for substantial returns and reliable income streams.
However, if you are not interested in owning a house, there is more than one option to try. Let's start with house hacking. House hacking. Have you ever thought of making money from a property where you are living currently? This simple strategy is called house hacking. You can simply rent out a
portion of your house and can generate impressive revenue while staying inside. House hacking can significantly reduce housing expenses and you get an
opportunity to make from home without doing anything. Rental properties.
Owning and renting out residential or commercial properties can generate
consistent cash flow while also benefiting from property appreciation over time. Real estate investment trust. Let's say after watching this video, you are excited to park your money in the real
estate sector, but lack of market knowledge becomes your top barrier.
REITs offer an opportunity for beginners to invest in real estate without having the burden of property management. There are various companies. You can easily find them on Google within a few clicks. However, if you are still confused and not
sure about where to start, just write down REITs in below comment box.
9. Stock market.
If any of you love learn and earn ideology with the taste of challenges, and if you have patience, you must try the stock market. Today, the stock market has a long list of investment options.
But for now, let's understand these 3. Individual stocks. Investing in individual stocks lets you have ownership in specific companies.
By conducting thorough research and analyzing financial data, anyone can easily identify companies with strong growth potential, and this would also help you to create a diversified stock portfolio.
Index funds. Next on this list is index funds.
Index funds are investment vehicles that aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. With low fees and a passive management approach, these funds provide you with broad market exposure.
Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs just work like index funds but trade like individual stocks on stock exchanges.
They are also known for diversification, and along with that, investors can easily track the movements of various market sectors, commodities, or asset classes. 8. Bonds and fixed income. Okay, let's say you are not well aware of any kind of investment vehicle and you are just looking for a low-risk, low-return option. In this scenario, bonds and fixed income are perfect options for your portfolio.
Now let's check out some various bonds. Government bonds. Government bonds are secured as well as reliable options for new investors. Some popular bonds, such as U.S. Treasury bonds, are considered low-risk investments since they are backed by the government.
These bonds pay interest over a fixed period and return the principal at maturity. So, if you are not ready to take risks in the stock market, a government bond would be the perfect option.
Corporate bonds.
Just like the name says, corporate bonds are issued by companies to fund their business.
You just need a bit of knowledge about brands and that's it. Look for a reliable company, check out the current scenario, and you are ready to be a proud investor.
Corporate bonds offer higher returns than government bonds, but they also carry a higher level of risk. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS. TIPS are government bonds. They are like a protection cover against unpredictable market ups and downs like inflation. Their principal value adjusts with changes in the consumer price index, ensuring that investors retain purchasing power.
7. Business ownership.
Entrepreneurship and business ownership can be lucrative paths to financial freedom. Today, we can easily find small businesses or startups with the help of free online tools.
Let's see how you can take the benefit out of them. Investing in startups.
Investing during an early phase of a startup offers the potential for high returns.
However, we can't ignore the risk factor. So before making any final decision, make sure to conduct thorough research or consult your financial advisor. Start your own business.
Starting a business allows you to build a business empire around your passion or your expertise. With careful planning, persistence, and dedication, you can build a successful business.
Then just set your business on autopilot mode and you will enjoy your financial freedom. Franchise opportunities.
Franchising lets you own a business brand partially with an established brand and proven business model. Many new entrepreneurs prefer investing in franchises since it offers a balance between entrepreneurship and a degree of support and guidance from the franchisor.
6. Peer-to-peer lending. P2P or peer-to-peer lending platforms are known as an alternative investment options. They directly connect borrowers and lenders. Let's see some aspects. Benefits and risks of P2P lending.
The first benefit of P2P is diversification.
It can also offer you higher yields.
However, the risk factor in P2P is very crucial, such as the potential for default by borrowers and the lack of regulatory oversight. Tips for successful P2P lending investments. Conduct thorough due diligence on borrowers, diversify investments across multiple loans, and monitor the performance of loans to minimize risks and maximize returns. Overview of P2P lending platforms. P2P lending platforms act as intermediaries. They let individuals lend money to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. These platforms offer attractive returns compared to traditional fixed income investments.
5. Cryptocurrencies. The emergence of cryptocurrencies has created many ways for digital investors who are ready for high-risk, high-reward options. If you are interested in the tech industry, this might be your prior investment choice. Now let's see some aspects. Bought Bitcoin and established cryptocurrencies. There is no doubt that Bitcoin has gained immense popularity as a potential store of value and digital currency. Some popular cryptos like Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin also offer additional investment options. Researching and understanding different cryptocurrencies. Of course, crypto is a marvel, but before you make your final decision to cryptocurrencies, make sure to research and understand the technology, use cases, and risks associated with each cryptocurrency. Education would help you to make proper and well-informed investment decisions. Managing risks in cryptocurrency investments. Due to the volatility of the market, it's a little bit challenging to manage risks by diversifying investments, setting investment goals, and/or other risk management strategies such as stop-loss orders. 4. Commodities. Commodities are an age-old investment option.
You can invest in tangible assets that can serve as a hedge against inflation and diversify investment portfolios.
Let's see some investment options.
Precious metals. Investing in gold and silver provides a means of preserving wealth during unpredicted economic ups and downs. These precious metals have historically held value and act as a store of wealth. Energy commodities. Energy commodities such as oil and natural gas offer exposure to the energy sector. Investing in energy commodities can benefit from rising global energy demands.
Agricultural commodities.
Investing in agricultural commodities like corn and wheat allows you to participate in the agricultural sector and thus you can earn benefits from increasing global food demands.
3. Intellectual property.
Intellectual property investments can provide passive income streams and significant returns.
Consider the following options. Patents and trademarks.
By holding patents and trademarks, you can generate remarkable wealth from licensing opportunities and royalties for inventions and innovative products or services. 65.
Licensing intellectual property rights.
Licensing intellectual property allows you to monetize your creations without the need for direct involvement in manufacturing. Royalties from creative works. If you are an author or some kind of artist, such as a musician, you can earn royalties from your creative works, such as books, music, or artwork. 2. Education and skills.
There is a very basic fundamental that millionaires apply. Learn and earn.
It means first you need to learn, or better say, educate yourself, and then your skill will help you in finding or creating opportunities for financial growth.
Consider the following options.
Investing in your own education.
Schools and colleges are a must for the fundamentals of education.
However, sometimes you need to have extra skills to understand the money mindset.
Here you can try some reading books or attending online classes. Acquiring valuable skills and certifications.
Developing skills in a high-demand industry can lead to better job opportunities and you can get an attractive paycheck.
Leveraging knowledge and expertise for financial gain. This is an awesome option today. All thanks to social media and other digital services.
You can build your brand, offer consulting services, or you can monetize your expertise through a number of online platforms.
Just shoot your video and post it on an education site.
And bingo, you will enjoy the money flow with less effort.
1. Cut your budget. And finally, at number 1, we have this. Cut your budget. See, budgeting is undoubtedly an essential part of everyday financial security.
It includes how much money you have coming in and how much you are going to spend on various expenses.
Once you are ready with this data, you can easily cut back on spending and save money.
Achieving financial freedom in your 20s or 30s requires smart planning, disciplined investing, and knowledge of the financial operation. By following the tips we have provided in this video, you can enjoy early financial freedom during your 20s or 30s. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and please subscribe to this channel for future updates.